look through it, Tucker?
I have just begun.
Okay. Well, it's not too bad.
No.
Um, David, do you want to share your screen?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yours even looks good already.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I got done so fast, I thought I'd finish it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, let's see here. Somebody got the instructions
I've got
up.
instructions if we need them.
So I got back here. Come on. Oh, that's just got the two sheets. So I named them.
Mm-hmm.
Building schedule on the one they gave us and just called the other one data. So
Yeah, it's kind of nice. They gave us all the titles in step 5.
yeah.
It's also in
So
the video, but
yeah. No, I kind of built mine as I was watching the video.
me
So
too.
That's what I typically do too.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
So here you got build time. My little formula was a VLOOKUP,
Hmm.
playing off of the name, house name. Oh, well, back up here. I had to do a sort first, filter,
Okay.
because it said to filter it by the oldest to youngest contract date.
Yes.
So first thing I did is went and attached a filter to it and filtered it by the contract dates, and I've got the oldest one at the top. So if I remember right, I don't see the instructions in front of me because I didn't. So once I did that, then I started to build the rest of things. I added completion date with adding Saturdays, completion date with adding Saturdays and holidays. And then my last two columns are how much sooner by adding Saturdays and how much sooner by adding Saturdays and holidays. So
Hmm.
there's my headings I put up there. Like I said, in the build time, I just pulled that in off of C5, which is the house plan. Did not anchor that, so it would move down as I copied it.
Hmm.
And then I anchored the schedule on the data sheet. This one here, Cheyenne. So I made that my array,
Array. Hmm.
and I anchored that. And then I did the second column over. If we look back, so it's only two columns, first one, second one.
Hmm.
And false. So that brought in the build deck time for each one of them, and I copied that on down the row. So,
Perfect. Then
so yeah,
yeah, I'll explain it. Do you want to click on that first one there for completion date?
okay,
So we're pretty much using Workday and Workday International functions for the rest of these.
yeah,
So for it was interesting. What I learned was, and I guess we'll just talk about this now. But in the Workday International, do you want to bring up where it gives us the? Do you want to click in the formula so it'll show us what we need?
oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, there it is. So we got our start date, which is the contract date,
Right.
Yeah,
and then we want to know how many days we're going to be spending on that, which is 70 for the
which is
build
the
time.
build time. Yeah,
And then what I figured out was that the next two, since they're in brackets, it means that we're subtracting those days out. Um, or yeah, that's right. So those days are being subtracted out of the formula. So if we
oh, I see. So what you put in there, it takes it out of the days. Okay.
exactly, that's why they were talking about it being counterintuitive between
Mm,
adding Saturdays and holidays. Um,
so I just did it right by dumb luck then.
I
So
think so. Yeah. I'm looking at it. I'm like, huh, because I switched those. I did. I put in. I didn't add the holidays to that G column, um,
oh,
and it
okay.
said it was, I'd complete it one day later than if I would have worked on the holidays. I was like, that's not right. I'd be one day sooner if I worked on a holiday. So
So I went in and named what the weekend meant.
I did
You know how it goes in there when you go down after the days. You do the comma and then you pull down the menu and you say the weekend means Saturday, Sunday.
Right.
And then the next one, holidays, I just made I took my holidays here.
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember I think I just went
You
like
just,
that.
Yep.
name
And you just
that.
name that.
And I named that holidays up here.
Perfect.
Okay.
So then when I did my formula, I just pulled in holidays
Mm-hmm.
Right.
and seemed to work. So
So what you might want to do, and I think because so that's what that's doing.
taking out the holidays, right?
Yeah, try because I actually didn't. I got something different for my completion date.
Oh, yeah, we got to compare there, see what's going on here.
Yeah. So what I did was just do a workday function.
Instead of an international?
Yeah, because that will take out the holiday or the weekends. Actually,
Hmm,
yeah.
but you-
Go if you might be able to keep it, but go into the third input in that function. If you click on your function,
yeah. So V5, E5.
that one, the weekend, and then yeah, look at your options.
Can I give me
You
the
might need
option?
to, you might need to, there you
Yeah.
go. Okay, so that's
So I picked one, which was Saturday, Sunday.
uh-huh.
Did you do it, Justin? Did you just do the workday function?
I did, yeah. Which
Oh, so you just chose what the work day meant.
so I did workday, and then it asked for the start date, and then it asked for the days, and then you can do holidays. Oh, I guess I need to subtract out the holidays.
Yeah, so
That's right.
it didn't ask for that because holidays are there.
Right. No, you're right. That's
So
why
that's why I chose this one because it had holidays in it. So
no, I actually, yeah. So the workday function also gives you the option to do holidays. So I actually messed up there. That's what it, okay.
so probably the way I did it, we'll stick with.
Yeah, you can stick with that. They're pretty much the same.
So if I go up here and equals work day, can't see it.
Yeah, I did I just did the workday
For completion date.
workday function for the first one that is up there, the snow tapper.
Yeah, because it does have start date,
And I got
days, and
the same
holidays.
319
Yeah.
completion date.
So yeah, you could just make sure you picked out the work day.
And you just have to make sure you put your holidays in there as well. You can't. I ignored the holidays because that's what it did in the video. But you're supposed to put in the holidays because you obviously wouldn't be working on holidays if you're just doing normal work days. Well, right, yeah, you'd be taking the holidays out because then in G, you're putting the holidays in.
Yes.
So that would be basically the opposite of F, or it'd be F without the holidays.
Why isn't it giving me a down menu? Can't see it
So
too well.
you want to have a down menu, so you'll just have to select.
Yeah,
You just have to select the holidays.
Start
Okay.
typing. Yeah, just start typing holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you type in your holidays.
There it is. And that should give you the same. It should give you the same as the completion date.
Yeah.
Okay.
3/19/2008. Yep, it does. So am I going to get docked for doing the other one or not? Yes, who knows?
I don't think so.
It does the same thing.
Yeah,
It does the same thing. Yeah.
It means the same thing too.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically just saying that you're working or you're taking off weekends, and you're
Yeah.
also taking off holidays.
Right. And the Workday International is you're just picking what those weekend
Right,
what that means. Like, does that mean
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday? Does that mean Saturday, Sunday? What does that
Right.
mean Thursday, Friday?
hmm
So no, I
Yeah.
mean
Okay.
I think you're fine with
I
that.
agree.
So on completion with adding, so what I did on there is I chose 11, which is
Which is just Sunday only.
Sunday only is the weekend. So that only would take out the Sundays and still the holidays on the next one.
I think you're going to want to double click that. I think it put in.
Or or just hit exit. Make
Yeah,
sure.
there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, so I picked 11, Sunday only.
That's what I did.
And then the next one, so I've got what is this one? Completion date with adding Saturdays and
holidays.
Basically, you're just not taking out the holidays. You're doing the same formula as the G column, except you're
right.
not counting for the holidays.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So I figured because it's in brackets, that's signifying which days you're not going to work.
Yeah, so I just left it off.
Yeah, it's also brackets, meaning it's optional as well.
So it looks like in my formula, I just decided to leave holidays off because it was optional.
Yep,
so
that's what I did too.
Right. Yeah, because you want to add those in, so you're not gonna
You're not gonna subtract them. Exactly. Yep.
Now on this one, is a negative number appropriate?
I did a positive because I said how many days faster will the project be completed if work is done on Saturdays versus no Saturdays. And I just said 17 days faster. I don't know.
Did you just subtract F from G from F?
I subtracted G from F. F from G, sorry.
Yeah.
See, I got G5 minus F5. So this one.
Right. So you would just kind of alter those F minus G. Is that what you're saying?
For I did E minus F. I mean, for H, sorry. For H, the formula was E minus F. Wait.
Did you have yours over?
Hold on. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is. You've got an extra column.
Okay.
Yeah. So I haven't moved mine over yet. I probably will.
Gotcha.
Did you come up with 17?
Yes.
So you're just subtracting completion date from the completion date with adding Saturdays. Is that what we're saying?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just making sure I'm on the same page here.
Yeah, it's saying
if confusing, like you read the instructions and I'm like, what?
Right. Yeah. So basically it's saying you take your normal completion day,
this one
without
here,
Saturdays, and you're saying how many days faster if we add Saturdays.
Yeah. So is there a better function than just a minus?
I don't think so.
I think you just flop those so you get a positive number.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
That would be my only suggestion there.
F minus G. F minus G. And that'll give you a positive number. And then drag that click on that.
Come on. I have a hard time getting that real quick. There we go.
There it goes.
And this one I could do the same thing. I could
F minus each. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then once you do that, you've got all the data you need. Don't forget to delete that H2.
My little one up there. Clean that up. Can't see my honor symbol too well because I took color over it, but I did not delete it.
I don't think that's hiding it. It's still there.
Okay, so then I've got, because my question says how much sooner by adding Saturdays? 17. So it can be just a whole number. Yeah. So other than that, I just did some formatting.
I would probably say how many days sooner.
How many days? Yeah. How much sooner sounds kind of jumbled. Yeah.
Right. You don't know your measurement. I think I'm going to steal that.
It's all right. I didn't type it for you, so you're good.
Right.
How many days sooner?
By adding Saturdays.
And then how many days sooner again? Sooner by adding Saturdays, and I got to make that bigger. It doesn't make enough room now. So, there we go.
All right.
So
perfect.
I think we're good to go.
Like I said, Tucker, that didn't take me long.
Yeah, no, that's not.
Once I got through all the tutorials and all that stuff, it was like a half hour kind of thing.
I think it's one of the easier mini projects so far.
It's lulling us into a sense of
right before the exam
for the storm or something here. So.
I know, it's making me nervous.
Yeah. I've got my honor quiz done, so I was looking at it a little bit. So
yeah, I did mine as well, and
only took me 4 times to get through the honor quiz this time.
Really?
Oh,